everyone. Today I have extra special client with me, which is my grandson. Can you say hi? Can you wave hi? Say hi. This is Hayes. He is the best little boy. He has super cute personality. Anyway, we are going to do a video on a new haircut for Hayes. So this is his 8th haircut. He's just over a year and 4 months. Oh, you gonna help Grandma? You're gonna help me? Oh yeah, you see it? We are going to do a number 3 on the sides, and then we're gonna see if that's short enough, and then we're gonna do more of like, not a faux hawk all the way, but more of a mullet, modern mullet back here. So it's thicker back here, but short on top and the sides. So we will start. Can you hear this, Hayes? Can you hear it? Where is it? Whoa, do you like it? Do you like it? Huh? Can you hear it? Woohoo! Is that fun? Can you hear it? Want to help Grandma? Help Grandma. He is so much fun, aren't you, buddy? Okay, so I'm just coming back here by his ear. We do want to leave it, thicker in the middle part. Whoa, does that tickle? You want to hear it again? Oh, you hear it? Hear it to Mommy. Woo! Here, again? You want to hear it? Let's see. Woo! You are funny. You are funny. Is my boy funny? Huh? You see? Do you like it? Oh, want to hear it? Woo! He is the best boy, huh? You're the best boy, huh? Yeah, show her. Show her. What's that? Can you hear it? Wow, that's so awesome. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, sometimes if you see it and let him know that it's okay. Woo! Look at Mama. See what Mama has? Want a treat? All right, so we've got this. Now what we'll do is cut the top. Here we go. Grandma's gonna spray you. Woo-hoo-hoo. Is that tickle? Is that tickle? You like your cookie? You like your cookie? Huh? Okay, so we're gonna do it just long enough to where it can either just lay down or my daughter can spike it up kind of on the top and do it a little bit messy. So you can see I'm starting in the middle, and then I go to the right, and then I come back to the left. So yeah, this is his 8th haircut. It's seriously crazy that he's this young and has this much hair. Huh, you're a good boy, Hayes. Huh, are you a good boy? Do you love cookies like Grandma? Huh, are you such a good boy? He is so much fun. He is my 2nd grandkid out of 4. They are the best. It is so much fun. People always say being a grandma is the best, but it actually is the absolute best. Now that I've experienced it, I can say for myself, it's the absolute best. Hi, Hayes. Oh, you're being a good boy. So you can see I'm coming up the middle. Oh, do you love it? And whatever you have to do to keep their attention span enough to cut their hair, if it's give them cookies or a movie. Hi, you want Grandma? Did you want Grandma? Oh, do you love a cookie? Do you need a drink? Oh goodness, he is the best boy. He is so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to turn him to the side here. Take some of this length off. What do you see, Hayes? Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Do you want this over here? Want to hold it? Oh yeah, do Mama's hair. Do Mama's hair. Woo, is it cold, buddy? So of course we're going to leave this kind of a mullet. I am going to obviously take some off the bottom. So Brent, if we can have you try to have him look down. So if you can have him look down, I'm going to take a little bit of this length off. Woo, good job. What's that, Hayes? This? Okay, and then we are going to, yeah, see that? Take this and cut it into the bottom. So you can see that I'm still taking length off, but we are going to keep this a tiny bit longer back here. It has a little bit of curls back here, so we thought it would be fun to leave it a tiny bit longer. Want that? What you see, huh? Oh, do Grandma's hair. Do Grandma's hair. Good job. You did it. Do Mama's. Oh, good job. Okay, so I'm just this. Taking a little bit of this off. So you can see there's a tiny bit of curl. Oh, that's funny, boy. Oh, thank you. Do Grandma's hair. Good job. This? Yes. Oh, goodness. Okay, now the tricky part. You want this one? This one? We are going to, just be careful when you go to blend because they will move their heads a lot. Look at Mama. Do Mama's hair. Yeah, let's see. Do Mama's hair. So you can see, I'm gonna look at Mama. Okay, I'm gonna do this side while he's looking this way. Oh, you looking handsome, buddy. What's that? So yeah, whatever part you can get as they're looking, go for it. Can you get it, Hayes? Okay, Bryn, how much more do you want off of this back? Do you want it like still long like that? So it's just more of a mullet? That's cute, you bet. Let's get this side a little bit better. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Look at that. Do you want the blow dryer? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Can see those cute little curls back there. Okay, I'm just going to try to blend this a little bit better. I just don't want to get too close because I don't want to take a big chunk out of his hair. So just be careful. Okay, and this side, I'm gonna bring that just a little bit closer. What's this?
Look right here.
What's that? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna just try to check the sides. And that means from where I cut the top to blending the sides. Uh-oh. Oh, good job, buddy.
What?
Oh, goodness, what did you find? Can you wave to everybody? Can you say hello? Hello. Okay, I'm just going to. Woo! You want it? Thank you. Thank you. Just gonna hurry and get this little front right there. Okay. Then I'm gonna try to get his sides. Good job. What's that? Mama's gonna get you. This? You want this one? This one? And hold that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back behind his ear. If they go to move their head, just try to hurry and move your clippers fast out of the way. He's like, I want the one that's on. Here, you can turn that one on. Look. This? Yeah, look at this one. Oh my goodness, what's this one? Here, I'm gonna move him this way. Sorry. Woo! Oh goodness, good job. So I'm just gonna go around his ear real fast. Where's your mama? Where's your mama? All right, I'm gonna take this off and kind of see what we have going here. Oh, handsome boy. I can see on this one side, I need to blend it a little bit more. So I'm gonna turn him. And I just need to blend this a tiny bit more back here. Woohoo! Did I get you, buddy? So yeah, 1-year-olds are hard to cut. So just go with it. Just keep going. You can do it. Woo! Okay. So we're gonna get this. Gonna put a little bit. Gonna put a little bit of Flexi gel. Just gonna rub it in my hands. And then we're just gonna put it back here with his little curls. Oh, you're a handsome boy. Okay, and then we're just going to. And you just wanted this up, right, Bryn? Just kind of up?
Yeah.
Oh, you look handsome, buddy. Hey, look at Grandma. Hey, look at Grandma. Hi, handsome boy. Oh, you're so handsome.
Should we put it back?
Let's see.
Or get it back out?
Hey, look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. Where's Grandma? Okay, say cheese. Can you look at Megan? Say cheese. Right there. Say cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Okay, I'm going to turn him around. I'm going to take this off so you can see his cute little back here with this cute little mullet. We just left this a little bit longer for the curls. Oh, do you love it? Hayes, you want to play, huh? Can you tell everybody bye-bye? Hayes, Hayes, Hayes. Look, say bye-bye. Say see ya. Bye-bye. No kisses. Mwah. 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 Anyway, oh, I love him. Thank you so much, Hayes, man. You're awesome for doing this, huh? He's a good boy for being one. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me. Mama, you love your mama, huh? Okay, thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. Say bye-bye. See ya.